Ready to ditch the sticky notes and finally wrangle your contacts into a system that actually works. Let's dive straight into how to manually add a contact in Kvcore, making sure everything's neat, tidy, and ready for your next big deal. First things first, locate the Add Contact button, which is usually prominently displayed on your Kvcore dashboard or within the Smart CRM section. Click on it. Now you'll see the Add Contact form, and this is where the magic happens. Start with the basics: first name, last name, and email address. These are crucial for communication. Next, enter the phone number, making sure it's accurate. Then, select the contact type from the drop-down menu. Are they a lead, a prospect, or a client? Choosing the right type helps you segment your database later. The source field is also important. Where did you meet this contact? Was it Zillow, an open house, or a referral? And, if you're on a team, make sure to assign the contact to the appropriate agent. Don't forget the Add Notes section. Jot down any key details about your conversation, their preferences, or anything else that will help you personalize your follow-up. This is gold for building relationships. Finally, double-check all the information one last time to avoid any typos or errors. Then, hit that Save button. Boom. Your contact is now neatly added to your Kvcore CRM. Now you can use Kvcore's powerful tools to manage and nurture that relationship, all thanks to taking a few minutes to add them correctly. That's how you add a contact manually to Kvcore, and happy selling.